There's an incredible value in being able to draw, like practicing mindfulness, strengthening the mind-body connection, expressing our emotions, creativity, and imagination. If you want to learn how to draw but you're completely new to it and don't know where to start, or you're self-taught and want to elevate your drawing skills, then this class is for you. And let's start demystifying the ability to do art. You don't need talent to be able to draw. Drawing is a skill that anyone can learn, and it's way easier than you might think. Hi, my name is Plami, and I'm partially trained, partially self-taught artist doing freelance illustration and graphic design work. I will teach you a simple but very powerful technique that I learned way back in art class that I'm still using to this day. And that is how to easily draw anything using the power of simple shapes. By using this technique, you'll be able to draw pretty much any object. All you need is the right mindset and a little bit of distraction-free time. In this class, I will teach you how to think and see like an artist, the tools you will need and how to use them, lines, shapes, forms, and getting started with values, and finally we'll put everything into practice and draw a little bird in graphite pencil. And remember, it's way easier than it looks, and you can do it. You'll also not do this alone. I will be with you every step of the way. By the end of this class, you will learn how to see, construct, and draw any object in pencil. The knowledge you will gain is the absolute foundation you will need if you want to explore more in-depth topics related to drawing. Are you ready? Let's get started.